Pra onde a gente vai hoje?
Palmas.
Palmas. Conhece Palmas? So you would tell people to come here, yeah?
Only they are fun.
Nice. It is day one. I arrived yesterday, but today is the official day one here in Ilha Grande in the state of Rio de Janeiro. And I couldn't be happier for my 5-day vacation.
A gente vai na praia, Praia de Palmas. Bora, família.
Por quê?
A gente tá querendo ficar bêbado. A gente tá querendo putaria na noite. Bora curtir o rolê? Mais uma segunda-feira, na Ilha Grande.
Já fui em Palmas.
You like it?
I like it. It's very good. It's very nice. Very roots.
I'm trusting you on this one.
Please do. It's a great one.
Esquecendo o mar que leva lá para trás. Boa tarde, gente.
Boa tarde. Obrigado.
Boa vontade aí, valeu?
Nice. So we took a boat here. It was 90 reais round trip, which is a pretty good deal. And now we're just kind of enjoying the ocean, and I'm about to grab a beer at this corner store here, so let's go do that. What does a German frog sound like?
Quack.
What?
No?
A frog, not a duck.
I don't know. Quack, quack.
Quack, quack.
What? Maybe that's just a...
Yeah, maybe on the other side. You want me to try? Ah, you got it. Come on. Ah, nice. You did it. Sucesso.
Show. Obrigada.
So normally if you order this, it's like without meat or with meat?
Usually without.
Without. It's pretty common to have without.
If you're ever in the state of Rio de Janeiro, I would consider Ilha Grande, or Big Island, the one I'm on right now, a must visit. This place is incredible. It reminds me a lot of the Thai islands. It's got this like car-free, laid-back vibe, but there's actually a lot, even though it's very touristic, there's a lot less hassle in terms of like vendors and people trying to get you to go to their restaurants and things on the street. So it's really chill, really great vibe, and there's great nightlife as well, lots of bars and beaches to choose from. I'm staying at Balaio Hostel, which is the place to stay when you're in Ilha Grande, and that's in the main village. So today I decided to just walk around, see some of the local beaches, so I just passed by Praia do Crena, I believe it's called. And now I'm at Abraãozinho, which is Little Abraham, not the main Abraham where I'm staying. And there's just so much life, so much energy, music, culture. Gotta love Brazil, am I right? So if you're staying in the city of Rio de Janeiro, this is the perfect escape. Instead of buses, you got boats, and instead of driving, you have your feet. Lots of things at walking distance. So when you come to places like this and you decide to slow down, you really realize how little you need. So this has been a great escape for like mental health as well. As cliche as it sounds, this is one of those places when you arrive, you're like, could I potentially move here, live here for a while? Well, just enjoying a leisurely Sunday afternoon here with some 6 milliliters of beer and Ilha Grande in the background. This will probably be the last day of sun, unfortunately. Yeah, so today's Sunday, last sunny day of the week. But I'm pretty confident I'll find ways to enjoy Ilha Grande on Monday as well, even if it's raining.
At the end of the day, at least I can say I experienced Ilha Grande. But Brazil doesn't just look good, it tastes incredible too. From street food to homemade dishes, the next stop is all about the flavors that make this country what it is. So just click on the video that's on your screen and I'll see you right over there in 3, 2, 1.